Karya Siddi Kriya Yoga is one of those most amazing programs which many students have been taking benefit of. And do you know one amazing thing about Karya Siddi Kriya Yoga? Guruji, Venkatesh Guruji has been doing it sincerely from last 500 and odd days without a break. Not a single day he has broken, both morning 5:30 to 6 and evening 8 to 8:30. Wherever he is, however he is. And whichever part of the country he is, from there online, he will be ready. Though sometimes we as students, we take a back seat, we join late, but he will be on dot 5:30 in the morning, he will be there. And once when you have paid, it is for a lifetime. It is, we have been practicing this, and a heartfelt gratitude, Guruji, from all the Karya Siddhi Yoga students.